Hi guys, I'm your teacher Luke, and today I have a question for you. Why do we sometimes put an extra do in positive sentences? Like this: I do like kimchi. Or, I do want to go away this weekend. Usually do, as an auxiliary verb, is only used in questions and negatives. Do you like waking up early in the morning? No, I don't like waking up early. In a positive sentence, we would answer this question like this: Yes, I like waking up early. So then, why do we sometimes use an extra do in positive sentences? I do like waking up early. Well, there are two reasons for using an extra do. One reason we use an extra do in a positive sentence is for emphasis. Tell me, which sounds stronger to you? I like waking up early. I do like waking up early. Right, it's the second one. The extra do provides quite a lot more emphasis to your sentence. Do or does can be used in the present simple, and did can be used in the past simple. They go before the main verb and they get the main stress in the sentence. Listen to these. I do love eating kimchi. It's delicious. He does look tired. I hope he's okay. They did have a great time in Spain. Another reason we use an extra do is to show contrast between two ideas. For example, even though studying Chinese is difficult, I do try my best. I don't eat much sweet food, but I do enjoy eating ice cream after my dinner. My boss said my email was late, but I did send it on time. To sum up, we use an extra do in positive sentences for two reasons. The first reason is for extra emphasis, and the second is to show contrast. But remember, put the stress on the do when you're speaking. I do enjoy making English grammar videos for you. Okay, that's it from me today. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Well, see, there's this guy that she met
At the coffee house, right?
So you do know who he is.
I do love him. I do.
I do appreciate your help, Musan.